Hello friends, be here with another video with a Whimsy stamps. Let's go ahead and of course make a super fun shaker card. So here I have my 6x6 paper pack from the Atlantis paper pack, and then I have in white I cut it with the fire and ice die set, and this is gonna be my shaker part, and I want it to look like it's kind of like a cave, I guess. So for this part, what I am going to do is that I am going to use my distress Oxide and my distress inks, and all I'm doing is kind of going from dark to light and then adding some black soot to the sides. Make sure that you check the description box below because all the colors that I use are there. So for this part, all I'm doing is adding some of that ink, and I go back and forth in between the colors that I'm using so I can blend it really well. I am gonna go ahead and continue adding ink, and I'll see you at the end. After I was done with that, I have here some distress spray stain, and I'm gonna be using the white picket fence, and then I changed my silver one for antique bronze instead. So I am gonna go ahead and use this on my frame, come back to show you. And then here all I'm doing is helping it dry faster, and this is how it looks like. I absolutely love it. And here I am positioning my frame where I want it so I know where to cut. And here are all of my pieces. Here are my images, my sequin mix that I made, and I also have my frame here with already the acetate and foam tape in place. And what I have found is I don't want to use the ray inside my shaker, but what I have found is that if you use a lot of your confetti mix inside your card, when you add other pieces like the seashells and the seahorse and all that, and you put it on top of that sequence mix, your pieces are not going to flip. So you will always see the coloring pieces. So I thought I'd give you that tip because I have struggled with this because they always flip on me. But I figured it out that if you put a lot of the sequins, it works. And here is how my shaker looks like. Now I'm just gonna add some glue to this piece and add it to my card base, which I have chosen a black cardstock for that. And here I'm just placing where I want my image, and I've chosen to add double-sided tape instead of glue because I always make a mess when it's glue and acetate and it makes a disaster. So I prefer to use double-sided tape when it comes to gluing something on acetate. And then I'm gonna add my ray to the side as well with double-sided tape, my sentiment, and my card will be done. And here's how my card turned out. I absolutely love it. I adore shaker cards. They are so much fun to make. I also added this sentiment above his head: "You're a treasure beyond measure." Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Make sure to join our Facebook group to be inspired by all the projects the design team posts, and also fans of Whimsy stamps. I will see you next time.